Okay, stop. Before we do anything, I need to ask you one question. Just one. Have you ever woken up in the morning, looked in the mirror, and practiced your English, but the moment a real person said, "Hey, how was your day?" your brain went completely blank? Like total silence. Nothing. Just air? You wanted to say something amazing, you wanted to sound confident, but the only thing that came out was, "Good. Fine. Okay." And then you smiled and walked away really fast? My friend, I have been there. Max has been there. And today we are going to fix that forever. By the end of this episode, you will know exactly how to talk about your day in natural, confident, beautiful English. No more blank moments, no more fine. Let's go.
Hey everyone, thanks for listening to our videos. You're listening to Mr. Englishman. I'm Max, and with me here is the always amazing Lily.
Hello, hello, hello. Oh, I love that intro so much. Always amazing, Lily. I'm going to ask you to say that every single day, Max.
Deal. Okay, so today, this episode is so important because this is something every English learner needs. We talk about so many topics in English, right? Business English, travel English, grammar rules.
Yes, but what about just everyday life? Like talking about your morning, your commute, your lunch, the small, normal things that happen every single day.
Exactly. And the truth is, those small conversations, they are the hardest for most learners.
Right, because nobody teaches you how to say, "I was stuck in traffic and I was so tired and I just wanted to eat something." Nobody teaches you that.
But we will right now. So stay with us, because by the end of this episode, you will have real phrases, real sentences, and real confidence to talk about your day in English. No more blank moments, no more fine. Let's go.
Okay, let's start from the very beginning of the day, the morning. Lily, how was your morning today? Oh, Max. Sigh. My morning was a disaster.
Already? It's not even noon.
I know. I woke up late, my alarm didn't go off, I missed my alarm, and then I was running around my apartment looking for my keys.
Oh no.
And then I spilled my coffee on my shirt.
Okay, wow. That is a bad morning. So, listeners, did you hear what Lily said? Let's break it down. She said some really useful phrases. She said, "I woke up late." Simple, right? 3 words. I woke up late.
Can you say that? Try it. I woke up late. Say it out loud. Don't be shy.
And she also said, "My alarm didn't go off." This is a very natural expression. Go off, it means the alarm made its sound, its noise. So if your alarm did not make a sound, your alarm didn't go off.
It's a phrasal verb, go off, and we use it for alarms, timers, fire alarms, things that make a sudden loud noise.
And then she said, "I was rushing." To rush, R-U-S-H, means to move very fast because you are in a hurry. I was rushing to get ready. I was rushing to catch the bus.
Now, let me ask you something. What does your morning look like? Maybe you wake up early. Maybe you wake up late. Maybe you drink coffee. Maybe you have tea. How do you talk about it? Here are some great sentences for your morning routine. Ready? Number 1. I got up at 7 o'clock. Notice, in everyday English, we often say got up instead of woke up. They are similar, but got up means you actually left the bed.
Yes, because sometimes you wake up, but you do not get up. You just lie there for 1 more hour. No comment. Number 2, I had a quick breakfast. Quick means fast. A quick breakfast, maybe just toast or a banana.
Number 3, I got ready in 20 minutes. This is very natural. Get ready means you do everything. Shower, dress, brush your teeth, all of it.
And number 4, this one is very useful. I was running late. Running late means you are behind schedule. You are not on time. Sorry, I'm running late. You will use this one a lot.
Try saying all four. I got up at 7. I had a quick breakfast. I got ready in 20 minutes. I was running late. Say them out loud. Pause the video if you need to. Go on. We'll wait.
Okay, now let's talk about the middle of the day. Work, school, the big chunk of your day.
The part where most of the day actually happens.
Max, how was your day at work yesterday?
Ooh, good question. Okay, so it was a pretty busy day. I had a lot of meetings, back-to-back meetings. Do you know back-to-back? It means one meeting finishes and immediately the next one starts. No break, no time to breathe.
That sounds exhausting.
It was exhausting. And I also had a deadline. A deadline is the last day or last time to finish something. I have a deadline today. The deadline is Friday. Very common at work and school.
So, let's teach our listeners how to talk about work or school in natural English. Here are some great phrases.
First, I had a really busy day. Or the opposite, it was a pretty slow day. Slow here means not many things happened. Quiet, not busy.
Second, I had a meeting with my boss. Or, I had a presentation today. A presentation is when you speak in front of people and show them something.
Third, I finished a big project. Project. This word is used a lot at work and school. I'm working on a project. We finished the project.
And fourth, this one is honest and very relatable. I couldn't focus today. To focus means to concentrate, to give all your attention to something. I couldn't focus. Maybe you were tired. Maybe you were distracted.
We all have those days, and it is okay to say that.
Now, listen, there's one more phrase I love. I got a lot done today. This is a great phrase. Got a lot done means you finished many things. You were productive.
I got a lot done today. That feels so good to say. Try it. Say it with confidence. I got a lot done today.
Okay, pause. We need to stop for a second because there is one mistake I see English learners make all the time. And if you're making it, don't worry. We're going to fix it right now.
Ooh, yes, this is important. So, Max, what's the mistake?
When someone asks, "How was your day?" most learners say only one word. Good, fine, okay, and then silence.
And native speakers? They add details. They always add a little something extra because that's how real conversation works.
So instead of just good, try this. It was good. I got a lot done at work, and I finally had time for lunch, which was nice.
See? Same meaning, but now it sounds like a real conversation. You added a detail. I got a lot done. I finally had time for lunch. Small details make big differences.
So here is your challenge right now. Think about your day today or yesterday and make one sentence with a detail. Just one. For example, today was busy. I had 2 classes and a lot of homework.
Or, today was nice. The weather was good, and I had coffee with a friend.
Or even, today was hard. I was really tired and I couldn't focus.
All of these are real, all of these are natural, and all of these will make the other person want to keep talking to you. All right, let's move to the afternoon and evening. This is my favorite part because this is when life gets interesting.
Tell me, Lily, what did you do after work yesterday?
Okay, so I went to the gym. Well, I tried to go to the gym. I walked to the gym. I stood outside the gym. And then I went home and watched Netflix instead.
That is so honest. That is so relatable.
I felt a little guilty, but also very comfortable on my sofa.
Okay, so again, great phrases here. I went to the gym, even if you didn't actually exercise. I tried to do something. This is great. I tried to study, but I was too tired.
I tried to. This is useful because it's honest. You had a plan. Maybe it worked, maybe it didn't.
Here are more phrases for your afternoon and evening. I ran some errands. Errands, E-R-R-A-N-D-S, small tasks outside the house, going to the supermarket, the bank, the pharmacy. I ran some errands this afternoon.
I cooked dinner. Or, if you didn't cook, I ordered food. Both are very normal. I ordered pizza. I got takeaway. Takeaway means food you buy from a restaurant but eat at home.
I relaxed at home. This is beautiful. Sometimes you just need to relax. I relaxed at home and watched TV. Simple, natural, perfect.
And here is one more that I love. I caught up with a friend. To catch up with someone means to talk to someone you haven't spoken to in a while. I called my friend and we caught up. It feels warm, right?
Caught up. Say it. I caught up with a friend. It's a little tricky to say at first, but practice it.
Okay, now it's your turn. We are going to do a little role play, a mini practice moment. Are you ready?
Imagine this. You just finished your day. It was a normal Wednesday. You had work in the morning, you had lunch. In the afternoon, you were a little tired. In the evening, you cooked dinner and watched a show.
Now, your friend calls and says, "Hey, how was your day?" What do you say?
Pause the video right now, or just think in your head. Make 2 or 3 sentences. Use the phrases we taught you.
We'll give you a few seconds.
Okay, here is one example answer. Listen carefully. It was a pretty normal day. I had a busy morning at work. I had back-to-back meetings. I was really tired by the afternoon. But in the evening, I cooked dinner and watched a show, so I relaxed a bit.
That's it. That's a real answer. It has a beginning, pretty normal day. It has a middle, busy morning, back-to-back meetings. And it has an end, relaxed in the evening. Beginning, middle, end. Easy.
And notice no big vocabulary, no complicated grammar, just simple, clear sentences. That is the goal.
Ooh, wait, before we go to the recap, I want to add something special because there's a soft rehook here. Stay with us. This bonus section might be the most useful part of the whole episode.
We are going to teach you filler phrases. These are small phrases that native speakers use all the time. They help you sound natural, even when you are thinking of what to say next.
First one, to be honest. You say this when you want to share your real feeling. To be honest, I was pretty tired today. To be honest, I didn't do much.
Second, actually. This is used when you want to add a surprise or a different detail. I tried to go to the gym, but actually I went home instead.
Sound familiar? Third, you know what? This gets the other person's attention. You know what? It was actually a really good day.
Fourth, I'm not gonna lie. This sounds very natural and casual. I'm not gonna lie, today was really hard. It shows honesty. It's very common in everyday spoken English.
And fifth, my personal favorite. It was one of those days. Ugh, this phrase is so beautiful. Everyone understands it. No explanation needed. It was just one of those days.
Perfectly said. One of those days. Everyone knows exactly what you mean.
These filler phrases, use them. Put them at the beginning of your sentences. They make you sound so much more natural, so much more like a real English speaker.
All right, my friends, let's do a quick recap. We covered a lot today. Let's remember the most important things.
Key takeaway number 1, add details. Don't just say fine or good. Say one more thing. It was good. I got a lot done at work. One extra sentence. That's all.
Key takeaway number 2, learn the key phrases. Morning phrases. I woke up late. I was running late. I got ready quickly. Say them. Use them. Own them.
Key takeaway number 3, work and school phrases. I had a busy day. I had back-to-back meetings. I couldn't focus. I got a lot done. These are your everyday tools.
Key takeaway number 4, afternoon and evening phrases. I ran some errands. I relaxed at home. I caught up with a friend. I ordered food. Real life, real English.
And key takeaway number 5, the bonus, filler phrases. To be honest, actually, you know what? I'm not gonna lie. It was one of those days. Use these and you will sound amazing.
5 takeaways, 5 tools. Start using them today in your conversations, in your messages, even just practicing alone in your room. That counts.
Practice out loud, friends. Say the phrases out loud. Your mouth needs to learn them, not just your brain.
Okay, we are almost at the end. But before we go, I just want to say something from the heart.
Oh, Max. This is going to be sweet, isn't it?
A little bit. Okay, learning English is not easy. It takes time. It takes courage to speak, to try, to make mistakes. And if you're here listening to this, that means you're doing it. You are trying, and that matters so much.
It really does. Every single day that you practice, you get better, even a little bit. Even just learning one new phrase today, that is progress. That is growth. Be proud of yourself.
And we are proud of you, truly. Now, here's what we want you to do. Right now, in the comments below, tell us, how was your day? Use one of the phrases from today's episode, just one sentence. We read every comment. We love seeing your practice.
And if you want more practice, subscribe to Mr. Englishman. We make new videos every week. Short ones, long ones, podcast episodes, all designed for you, the English learner.
And hey, next time, we are going to teach you how to talk about your feelings and emotions in English. Not just I am happy or I am sad. Real, deep, natural emotion vocabulary. You do not want to miss that one.
It's going to be emotional, literally.
We'll see you then. Keep practicing, keep growing, and remember,
You are getting better every single day. We believe in you.
take care, everyone. Bye for now.
Bye.